Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents, hello all my dear friends. My name is Moyang Bari. I read in class UKG. Today we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. Our country got independence 15 August 1947. We host national flag on this day. We remember our freedom fighters on this day. I love my India. I love my India. I love my country very much. जय हिंद, जय भारत, भारत माता की जय, सुभाष चंद्र बोस की जय, जवाहरलाल नेहरू की जय, महात्मा गांधी की जय. Thank you.